Alright, so we're gonna try new restaurants. Okay. The menu is deep. Like, every time I pass by this place, the line is around the corner. The parking lot is to capacity. This shit better be good. But they look like they got a decent menu. They have, from here I can see seafood, chicken, burgers, cones and dishes. This is the first vlog in my new car.
No, it's not a new car. It's a real car.
What you saying? What you trying to say, my boy?
It's a real car.
A real one?
Yes.
Okay. I guess my last one was what was the last car then?
A new car. The real car.
You said it. They have 3 waiting lanes. This is pretty insane. I have a way bigger dash than I used to have. Hey you beauties, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, join. You know what we got going here. I am in the car. We are getting some Mickey D's. Kobe's gonna get a haircut real quick. But I have a very special surprise for my baby today. He don't even know what we about to get into, but we getting into it. So I'm excited. It is December 23rd. Yes, it's December 23rd. Saturday, December 23rd. So we got the vibes going. You hear me? My baby need a haircut really quick, and we are good to go after that. So I know I've been gone for a little bit during Vlogmas, but I think I'm gonna do a story time about it soon, probably next or soon. If you're seeing this, then you're gonna either already get the story time or it'll be posted after this video. It's been a lot going on, but we ain't talking about that. We ain't talking about that there.
I don't know what it is.
I'm so sad because I was on a roll this Vlogmas. Like, I post consistent videos for like 5 days. I think that's the most I probably ever post for Vlogmas. We gonna make this one. Nevertheless, we still on the grind. I'm gonna be back posting consistently. I just had a minor setback for a major comeback, but it be like that. That's life. Can't do nothing about it. We just keep moving forward.
Yeah.
Kobe even got a new belt in karate. Didn't you get a new belt? What color is your new belt?
I don't know what color it is.
It's yellow. But that happened, and I'm so proud of Kobe. He did such a good job. I'm so proud of them kids. And then Kobe had a pageant the other day. I'm so impressed. They did such a good job. You guys did such a good job. When I say they about ready for Broadway, them kids is like ready for Broadway. They put on a performance. They performed twice in one day. And I mean, it was just the perfection. They had musicians. They had some kids over here as musicians. Then they had the kids singing. They had the kids performing. It was just amazing. I'm so proud of them. Oh my gosh.
No, you proud of us?
Yes, I'm proud of y'all. Y'all put on a show. Y'all are amazing. Alright, y'all. So we're here at Magic Kingdom. I surprised Cole. You happy to be here? Yay. Look up, Cole. Cody. We're behind. We're in front of the castle. Stand up. Come on. I want us to get us a video in front of the castle. Please. We're in front of. Okay. The castle is different because it is new. Found my sister. We've been here for a minute. We're getting food. You see something? Yeah. So we're getting food. And then I can entertain. Huh? No. I recorded earlier this morning and then now, pretty much.
Take a picture with us.
It's a video. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hola. 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 Hola.
Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for being here. We're just thrilled to be all of this season. Fall is my favorite time of the year, and you know what? With all of us together, I just know so many fun things about town.
Alright, hey you beauties. So it's Sunday, Christmas Eve, and we are back home from yesterday's festivities. We went to Disney, Disney World, whatever you want to call it, the Magic Kingdom yesterday, and then we stayed at a hotel with my sister. That was nice, and the boys had a good time. Y'all gonna get all that footage here on the vlog. But we're back home. I did just a little bit of cleaning. I started laundry. I went to Target today. I grabbed a few things. And yeah, so tonight, yeah, parents should know, tonight we are Santa's helpers. Okay? So I'm trying to get ready for that. I need to get the baby settled for bed, and then I'll have on my elf ears and hat, you know, making it do. And Santa's coming tonight, so I let him know, and he's just doing him around the house. So I've been watching Toya and Regine's show on WeTV or whatever, and it's really good. I'm liking it. I'm on the 6th episode, and it's fucking interesting. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to straighten up around the house, and then when the baby go to sleep, we can prepare for Christmas morning. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit when the baby is asleep. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just finished assembling Kobe's main gift. It is freaking 1:23 in the morning, and now I have to wrap everything he has for Christmas. Oh my gosh, I'm just so ready to get into bed, but it's all good. It's for a good cause. This is just Santa's workshop. This is what we do.
Oh, the different bus. My Lego toy. This is my favorite Lego. It's a Lego toy.
Yay!
This is my favorite Lego toy I found. My bed is funny. I like this. I love this one. Christmas time. The big present. I know what's inside. It's this. Like a mommy. It's not like this. Look at this.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. Sunday too?
Yeah. You open it?
Sure thing. When you go ahead and finish opening all your stuff.
Now we play.
Okay, sure. You make sure.
Ultimate point.
Is that Optimus or
Oh, it just go on.
Mirage? Yes, Mirage.
Hello, Garage. You're better at the weekend.
Yes.
Huh? My favorite thing. Just Santa Claus is getting. With my building.
Okay, awesome.
Now, you open this and you turn to the car.
I'll open all of it with you. Yes, sir. Wait, you still have your stocking too. You got your stocking. You have to go through. Bless you, baby.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Cotton candy.
Coffee candy.
Go through the rest. What else is in there?
Candy. Cup.
Christmas cup.
And this.
Oh. Toothbrush. Scissors. What are these? A hemostat. A hemostat.
These are very money. Now we start opening the toys. No, open this one first.
Never go wrong with the Waffle House breakfast. Right, Coke? I'm gonna fuck this food up. Yep, that's waffles.
And the pancake waffles.
They're just waffles.
I love you. Hey, Mommy.
Target and Waffle House. So that's how we kind of started our morning here. And as you can see what we got behind us, we got some storage containers and one additional container for Kobe and all his toys. So we're gonna do some organizing, some cleaning. The new year is approaching, so we got to get it together in my household. I want things organized coming 2024, and that's what we're going to start doing. So I'm starting off with 2 new containers in replace of the one that I already have in my home. We're going to do a deep cleaning and everything. So let's get ready for the new year, y'all. So this closet is what I am tackling in organization. So far, I got in all the Christmas stuff in this bin. Now I have to get whatever's out of there, whatever's in there in this bin out, and figure out what I'm going to do with it. So that's what I'm doing here.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I want to do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I want.
Clearly, I have not been through this bin because the stuff that's in here, this is that little thing I used to strap Kobe to while he's attached to me. It's time to go.
Wanna give it to, I can see you want me to. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you want.
Alright guys, so now I'm going through my bins of clothes and shoes and just pretty much crap I have. So
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move.
I'm getting rid of all this here. Alright, y'all, so this looks a lot better than before. We're getting somewhere. Alright, so now that the closet is somewhat together, I still gotta grab a few things out of here and get them out of here for good. And then I need to organize Kobe's situation in here and get this going, because something has to change. As kids grow, you're going to find yourself constantly redoing their rooms, reorganizing everything. And that's like where I am. Just a whole lot of reorganizing. But that's okay. It comes with the territory. Do not let it overwhelm you. Alright, so let's finish this closet.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting for you. Think I wanna make that move. Thinking about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting. Hey, think I wanna make that move. Gonna make a move. Baby, tell me how you like it. Yeah, baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear, just relax and let me make that move. It's our secret, but keep it between me and you. Now, oh yeah, I've been waiting. Think I'm gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting. Think I wanna make that move. Gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. It's me and you. It's just me and you. It's just us two. Baby, tell me just like it. It's me and you. I've been waiting for your love. I've been waiting to make that move.
So look, we are more organized than before. I am happy we've gotten somewhere.